When frosting cakes, cupcakes, and cookies, the worst part is often cleaning the pastry bags. Luckily, one inexpensive and easy trick is to make a frosting plug. To begin, tear a square piece of plastic wrap and spread it out onto your counter. Grab a large spoonful of frosting and place the dollop on the center of your plastic wrap square. Take one side of the plastic wrap and fold it over the exposed frosting, stopping an inch after the frosting to create a lip. Then, tightly roll the frosting to the other side until your wrapped frosting has a cylinder shape. Grab each end of the plastic and twist, getting rid of any excess air, and make sure the frosting is completely covered. With a coupler on your pastry bag, pull one of the twisted ends through the bag, pulling the end out of the bag's tip. Cut off any plastic wrap which is pulled through the coupler, and then top off with your desired decorating tip, and then secure the decorating tip with the coupler ring. When finished, carefully pull out the plastic wrap and you'll find that only the pastry tip and the coupler are dirty. At this point, you can load the new icing colors and flavors into the same bag or set the bag aside for use at another time.